You can't buy this in a store.
All right, so in continuing our... What is he doing? Oh my God. I love it. Good dog. Anyway, in resuming our smoke theme, I'm going to be cooking some beautiful pork loins with the assistance of this My Father Centurion cigar. Let's get to it. A basic brine will have water, salt, and sugar. I added apple juice, vinegar, plus a few other spices. Make the dry rub your own. This is what I used. The spritz will be apple vinegar, juice, and maple syrup if you have it. Add enough brine to cover the loins completely. If you need more liquid, for every liter of water, add a half a cup of salt and a quarter cup of sugar. Then store in the fridge for 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the loins and do not pat dry, as this will help the dry rub to stick. Apply dry rub all over. Then place elevated over a rack and add enough water to cover the pan. Start your fire and add wood chips or pellets to maintain consistent smoke. Remember to spritz every 40 minutes or so. Here I'm using maple wood pellets. Total cook time will be about 4 hours. Moment of truth, number 1. Let's see, it looks beautiful.
Very yummy. Yes.
Nice. Put that on a ham sandwich. Moment of truth, number 2.
All right, let's see what's going on here.
All right. What do you think?
Like a symphony in my mouth.
Moment of truth, number 3. Ozzy, treat. Come here, boy. Sit. Up. Oh, geez, he'll eat anything. You want some more? Good boy.